we take a bath with comes from the mountain.
Right.
So it has water all the time. That's how we took a shower every day. We would come to the beach
Yeah.
to take a
shit.
shower because the water they get comes from the mountain.
Right.
So fresh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. We were here.
The gift shop. So we go to this.
Oh,
there's
it's
one
the
at
gift
beach.
shop?
Yeah, there's one at the
Yeah, at the
beach.
beach, okay,
That one
yeah.
is open, right? The one at the beach is open?
Yeah, it's open.
Oh yeah, there's one at the
And there's another one in town.
Yo estamos hablando en calle.
You know, and the storm was so strong, right? There was no water in town, nowhere. Nowhere.
What?
No water.
And then, yeah, no water anywhere in
We
town.
go to the beach every day, take a shower, come back fresh. They go like, yeah, we like,
And the beach, we found out through people, you know how it is.
I think mommy knew it.
No, your mother knew. You know who knew? Your mother's favorite cousin, knew.
Okay.
Yeah, she knew.
Oh, the water?
Piragua. No, hombre.
Oh,
Knew. She's the one. She knew.
that the water comes from the mountain.
Brunilla knew that we could go there and take a wash.